Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, the perfect solution for capturing crisp 1080p footage with its 140-degree wide-angle lens. With its compact size and automatic incident detection and recording, this camera is a must-have for any vehicle. But that's not all. With the Signature Series Black Camo Extra Soft Microfiber Lens Cloth included in this bundle, you can keep your camera lens and other surfaces clean and clear for the best possible footage. One of the most exciting features of the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is its ability to access the camera remotely for live view monitoring via the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone. You can also take advantage of the parking guard feature, voice control, and driver alerts for forward collision, lane departure, and speed camera warnings. The saved videos are stored securely in the online vault and can be accessed at any time using the Garmin Drive app. With all these incredible features, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 today and take your driving to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and product recommendations. Happy driving!